Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to talk about something a little bit different than what we normally do. Today I'm going to show you how to hang cool stuff on your wall. Just got this awesome board in the mail a couple days ago. Just getting around to hanging it, but pretty excited about it. Stay tuned. Hope you like this. If you do like this, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for me. You won't regret it. All right, so let's do this, okay? So to get started, this is a pretty big piece, but it's not very heavy, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I went to your local hardware store and I picked up some of these drywall anchors, okay? Any particular brand, I'm not repping any brand here, but there's basically three things that come in this box. And there's different kinds of them. This is what I like to use, okay? Some of them go in 1/2 inch drywall, 1/4 inch drywall, other size drywall. And they're those big, thick things you just screw in, but I kind of find that those tend to, over time, just not work as well as these. I like these a lot better. I'm just trying to figure out where I can find the little piece inside. The little red thing. Here. Found it. Yeah. That's what she said. Okay. You got three pieces. Okay. These are for 1/2 inch drywall. I think. Yeah, 1/2 inch drywall. I've got 1/4 inch drywall, but it'll work just fine. Okay. You got this piece in there. Basically what it does is you bend it. When you're getting ready to put it in, you bend it. Okay. Push it in through the wall. Okay. Got a close up on that shot there. Boom. Okay. So you got your drywall and you're just gonna go boop. And that's what it's gonna look like. Okay. And so then you've got this, all right? So that's where this guy comes into play. Okay. And you're gonna push it. Oh, and that's what happens. So on the other side of the drywall, that's exactly what happens. So then instead of you just having a little screw that can wiggle its way out, you've got two big thick anchors that are pushing up against that wall. So how do you put it in? Oh yeah, here's the other thing. Don't lose that. Then you got to use these screws. Okay, so once this is in the wall, then you just screw your screw inside, mount whatever you need to it. I think these are rated at like 143 pounds. Okay, this thing weighs like 3, so maybe 5. So yeah, probably about 3. So that's all you really need. So here's how you get started with that. So this is pretty simple here. So all I did was, or all that this has, it has these two little clips here. Okay. So if I measure center to center on those, it's about 14 inches. So what am I going to do? I'm going to figure out on my wall where 7 inches is, because 7's the center point of 14. Okay. Figure out where I want it, where I want the center of it to be, and then I just find 7. So I want it to be pretty high. I want it to be like, I want it to match up with my other one over here. So I want it to be about like right there. Maybe just yeah, about like right there. So what you want to do is just kind of mark right up the top with like a pin, which I had and now I don't. Where did it go? 1 minute. I'm back. All right, so here, I want it to be about right there in the corner. And then the corner's here. So basically, I want the center to be, the top to be about right there. Okay? So what I'm gonna do, since I know where the center is, what I do, you probably already guessed it. You take the 3rd pi and you multiply it by 8. Take the square root of that. No, just kidding. You go 7 inches out from that. Okay? And this ain't, you know, your daddy's rocket science. There's 7 inches out from that one and 7 inches up from there. And you want to make sure it's level, but you know, it's definitely not level. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. Okay. We could get a level out if you want. Yeah, what we do. Let's get a level. Okay, let's do this right. So up here, we know we wanted it about right there. Okay, so right there's level. Okay, and of course you can't see because I wanted it high. That's close. I was kind of close. Okay, it's just a little bit off. You probably wouldn't have been able to do it. Yeah, you probably would have. See that? All right, so now what do we do? Measure twice, cut once. So end to end should be what? 14 inches, because that's what we measured earlier. So let's just double check ourselves before we start cutting holes in the wall. 14 inches, okay? Measure twice here too. 14 inches. Center, center. 14 inches. All right, here's what we do. Put that back up there. Go call your dad for help, because I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. So, instructions. I have 5 for these. Now, check your instructions on your piece, because it might be a little bit different. But this one is a 5/16 inch drill bit. Okay, put in your, awesome little drill bit here, and drill your holes. Okay. Make a mess everywhere. I've heard you could put a Post-it note underneath it. Works out good, but I don't have a Post-it note, so. Well, how about that? Dang it. Check to see if you have a stud right where you're gonna put it too, because you might just do it. You might just already have a stud, okay? So then, you've got that in there. So what do you need to do now? You need your 3 pieces again. Keep this because you'll need it, okay? So you want to take this bad boy, you want to bend it like we did earlier. Bend it just like that. So it comes like this. You want to push the center in, bend it together, all right? Then you're going to take it and put it in that hole right up there. That's what she said. Okay, oh shoot. Take it in there and you're gonna push it in. Okay, and if you got a little hammer at the bottom of your drill, just push it in like that. Push it real good. Okay, then you're gonna go get a drill bit, and you're gonna, I don't know what I'm doing. All right, so I missed a step. You need this. Okay, when that's done, right there. Now, push it in a little bit farther, okay? So you should be good. So now once you put your hole, don't tighten it all the way, then you don't have anything to grab a hold of. All right, so next thing, and since I already have a stud over here, I just don't know what I'm doing. Let's just that looks about right. Close, maybe another turn. Okay, so now let's hang it. Ha! Boom, guys. Perfect. Look at that. It's even, it's level, and it just looks awesome. Okay, how long did it take me to do that? 10 minutes, and I'm showing you guys. You can do that yourself in 10, 15 minutes if you've never done it before. It's easy to do, okay? Have you subscribed yet? This is an awesome channel. I love to help people out. I love to help people fix dishwashers, help like people fix cars, help to like people fix all kinds of stuff, things that they could do themselves and not have to pay somebody those expensive money. Yeah, it's expensive. Okay, you can fix it and you can do it yourself, okay? Easy stuff. Don't pay somebody to come out here to do that for 50 bucks when you can go buy this pack for like next to nothing. I'll try to find some of these somewhere, put a link to the description below. Hang on to this bad boy because you'll need it for all the other ones that you're doing around your house. All the other cool stuff, okay? Drill bits, I'll put a link to drill bits. Put a link to a drill if you want to do a drill. If you don't have a drill, and tape measure, because that's really all that we used, right? We used the anchors, a drill bit, a bit set, but you've probably got a little Phillips or flathead with the drill, but I'll put a bit set in there too, and a tape measure, and a level. I'll put all that in. Sorry. I'll put all that in the description below. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell for me. Okay? Thank you. Hope you have a great day, and I hope this helps you. If it does, leave me a comment below. Thumbs up. Peace.